Unleashing the future, a journey through cutting-edge technology. As the sun rises, a new day of innovative advancements breaks the horizon of technology. The journey, exciting and transformative, begins now. Emerging technologies are not just changing our lives, they are reshaping the contours of entire industries, propelling us toward a future previously unthinkable. With each passing second, data multiplies, AI grows smarter. The world hums with digital connections, weaving a complex, ever-evolving tapestry of technological innovation. Yet technology isn't just about devices and algorithms, it's about people. People who dream, invent, and tirelessly build the future. Join us as we delve into these breakthroughs, exploring how they empower us, how they challenge us, and how they change our world forever. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, from blockchain to biotech, we are not just observing the future, we are creating it. Let's harness the power of technology, and together, let's journey onwards. Unleashing the future begins here, with us, today.